Today we are going to talk about reducible differential equation. What is that reducible? Because we represent one variable to the other with the other variables, and it reduces the structure, the complexity into simple form. Therefore, we can simplify by that method, that is reducible differential equation. For example, let me give you that xy dy equals x squared y squared dx. Okay, this is questions. Now what will be the solution? What will be the solution? Very good, that's clear. Let me, this is an expression. This is, we can consider this is what? A. This is A. Now to simplify this one, we have to first rearrange. We have to put that dy with dx form. Okay, you have to put this one for this form. So I can have divided that x squared plus y squared over just 2xy. Simplify. Simple. So this is rearranged. Now we can late what is that? Y is equal to Vx or Tx. We can say that. We can represent y is equal to Vx, or y over x is equal to this one. We don't care about that, but just we can represent this one. Now what is the derivative of this one? The derivative of this is dy with respect to dx equals the derivative of this is the product rule, that is first v derivation and x multiply, and second derivation, that is the first variable divided times the second derivative, so that just v. The derivative of v means dv with respect to x times just x plus the first derivative, that x, the first function is derivative, x is 1 times v, just v, very good, that is x times dv over dx plus some variable v, which is dy by dx. Very simple, very simple. Now represent this value or plug this value into the y's place. So take this two, dy by dx equals x squared plus y means just take this dx squared over 2x. Y means dx. This is equal to, take this two, because this expression is equal to this expression. Therefore, combine these two. That is x dv over dx plus v, some constant v. Okay, now what is that? This is equal to x squared means just what is x squared plus vx squared, x squared 2x squared v equals x dv by dx plus some variable v. Very good. Okay, they are the same, so combine them. What is the common here? The common is x squared into, here you have 1, here you have v squared over x squared v. Then I can cancel this one, x by x squared, x squared by x squared is equal to x dv by dx plus some variable v. The remaining is 1 plus v squared over 2v equals x dv over dx plus v. Very good. Now let me continue that, bring this to 1 plus v squared minus, take this to the left side, over, that is 2v equals x dv by dx. Now 1 plus v squared over 2v minus v is equal to x dv dx. Therefore, take this v squared is, v is equal to x dv by dx. Now, okay, take this to left side. Okay, now just 1 plus v squared minus 2 times v to v squared over just 2v equals, what is that, x dv over dx. 1 minus the difference of these two, just v squared over 2v equals x dv over dx. Now just cross multiplication. Take this to, or flip this expression to v, that is 2v over 1 minus v squared equals 1 minus dx over dv. Yes, dv over x, just over x. Yeah, now cross, just what is that, 2v, must be there, yes, 2v, just, you know, this is 2v, that is 2v dv equals, that is over 1 minus v squared is equal to 1 over x to x. Thank you. Integrate both sides, very good. 2 into v dv over 1 minus v squared equals, what is that, ln x, integration of 1 over x, just ln x, plus some constant c. Now what is that, limit, you can say limit 1 minus v squared is equal to u, just du is equal to 1 minus 2v, no, v squared, just I'm sorry for that. Okay, let me check that. Du means just, you know, 2v, dv, okay, negative 2v dv. Now I can divide it by 2, both sides by 2, then this is dv, there is the same term I have, 1 over 2 du equals, just I can bring the negative side, that is v dv. I have okay, the same term, I do have the same term, so I can cancel that. I can substitute this in the place of dv, there is 1 over u dv. Therefore, I can cancel, there is very simple technique we can use. Now, so let me again, let me substitute that 2 into integration of u means just v dv over 1 minus v squared equals ln x plus some constant c. 2 into look at this. dv means just 1 over 2 du with negative sign over, what is this? Just u. That is, I can take 2 over 1 over 2. Factor of this 1 over 2, just 1 times 2, just 2, 2 over 2. With negative sign into just a negative sign, that is du over du equals ln x plus some constant c. 2 divided 2, that is negative, just 1 over u du equals ln x plus some constant c. Very good. Is equal to, that is negative integration of 1 over u, just ln u absolute ln u equals ln x plus some constant c. Very good. Now this is equal to that, just what is that? I can take this, the power for this one, negative, so ln absolute u, just the powers. I can this one. So what is that? Is the power of, I can multiply by the natural logarithm, that is e, okay, natural logarithm both sides, so it will be absolute u is equal to, what is that? X times some constant. This is e the power of, that is just some constant c. This is equal to u the power of 1. I can make it because absolute, that is absolute. After absolute, it will be positive. There is the power of that one negative. Therefore, is equal to x times c. This is equal to u means what? 1 over u equals x c. By that, what is that? Y. U means just, what is that? U is equal to 1 over v, 1 minus v squared equals x c. Just I can flip that. 1 times 1, this one, just this one. Take this two this side to the left, to the right side, and bring this to the left side. So 1 over xc equals 1 minus v squared. 1 minus v squared. Okay, 1 minus v squared. Now what is that? This is equal to 1 over xc is equal to 1 minus, what is just v means originally we took that y is equal to vx. So I can take x squared both sides. This is equal to 1 minus y squared over x squared is equal to 1 over xc. Okay, let me take that 1 minus y squared over x squared equals 1 over xc. Just multiply that. X times 1, just x squared minus y squared over x squared equals c over 1. Okay, yeah, this is equal to x squared minus y squared is equal to, just cross, x squared over x times c. Yeah, x squared minus y squared equals, just simplify that, x over c. Okay, x over c. Now I can take this x squared minus y is equal to x over, just x over c. Now multiply that, just crisscross, x squared minus y squared equals x times c. Cx squared minus cy squared equals x. So take these two. Cx squared minus x is equal to y squared c. This is our c over both sides c. That is x into c minus y equals y squared over what? Over c. Over c. Okay, that's enough. We don't go further more than this. That's enough for today. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is yeah.